Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be looking at how to create quality music using OpenMusic AI. Now, when you visit this particular link, it brings you to this page and you realize it has a number of tools that you can explore. And you can also scroll through the page and you realize it can generate a lot of different genres of music. So let's hear this. That's orchestra style. That sounds nice. That's really crisp.
Let's keep that beat.
That's really beautiful. Anyway, so over here I have a prompt that I'm going to paste in and I'll select different parameters. Now you realize there are different kinds of options over here. So let me paste my prompt. So I have this. I would leave it in the description or probably the comment. Now you realize I have my prompt, I have the direction. This basically a song about Paul's encounter on the road to Damascus to go and persecute the Christians and all of those things. Yeah, so you can click more for, you can specify into details which kind of music you would like to create. I would like to create R&B, so you click more, then genre, then R&B, then I'll go with Urban R&B, and you realize it has been added to the prompt over here. And you can go ahead and customize the mood. I'll go for emotional. The instrument, I'll leave it blank. The vocal, let me make it male and female. And let's hit generate music now. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so we would have to click, let me close this off. I'll click generate music and you realize it requires you to log in. So I'll quickly log in. I would click generate music. So music generation has started and we'll wait for a while. Now the songs have been generated. I think it generated 2. Let's listen to some few seconds of each. Oh my goodness. And let's listen to the second one. Wow. Honestly, I'm blown away. I'm really blown away. The reverb, the presence, like you can really hear a lot. Like it's a fully mastered detail song. That is what I will actually put it. Let's take my hands. You call my name. Okay, so basically this is how to generate music with OpenMusic AI. I'm really impressed. Honestly, I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. It's really interesting. So you can go ahead, click this and download. And if you want to publish this music, it's best you download the highest quality, which will be the wave. So you click wave and it starts preparing for download. And you also click this, choose wave, and it will start preparing for download. So I would add the full music at the end of the video, and you can listen to both of them and sign up using the link in the description. Another thing that I noticed is you can click this and I think remix or edit. Let's convert this into a music video. Let's see what it does. So multiple images. Okay, so the alignment, I think the captions, you can keep it in the middle. Sound wave. Okay, let's generate the video for the music that we just created. So we wait for a while. So this the video that has been generated, and let's see. So I'll post this video independently on my channel, so you can look out for it. I'm highly impressed about this AI tool, honestly. So if you are on this particular page, you can click this and it will show you the verses and chorus. You can also see, so basically you can copy this and share with whoever that you want to share with. If you are going to upload this to Spotify, Apple Music, whatever, you can add the lyrics as part of the content that needs to be shipped, and your audience will have it.
On that road at noon, he was breathing fire, letters in his hands, blind to the Messiah. Then a light broke down right into his pride. He fell to the dust, could not stay inside. Surrender, Lord. I lay it down. I was hard as stone. Now I hear you now. I surrender, Lord. Take my hands. You call my name. Became Paul when the scales came off. Every chain I wore could not hide your cross. You spoke to the earth. You shook the old way, and the same strong voice still speaks today. Promise the world, you still keep your word. To the sons and the daughters, to the lost and the hurt, your power saves. Your mercy stands. Your mercy stands. You hold mankind in your On that road at noon, he was breathing fire, letters in his hands, blind to the Messiah. Then the light broke down, right into his pride. He fell to the dust, could not stay inside. I surrender, Lord. I lay it down. I was hard as stone. Now I hear you now. Ooh, I surrender, Lord. Take my hands. You call my name, and I said amen.
Saul became Paul when the scales came off. Every chain I wore could not hide your cross.
You spoke to the earth, you shook the old way, and the same strong voice still speaks today. You promised the world, you still keep your word. To the sons and the daughters, to the lost and the hurt, your power saves, your mercy stands. You hold mankind in your open hands.
So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.